On the menu, it's this recipe which is truly yummy and delicious. Tom Yum Soup. Namaste everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let's get cooking this comforting bowl of soup that's my favorite. The key ingredient of this soup is number 1, galangal. Clean it and slice them. Number 2 is lemongrass. Wash, clean and chop them. You will also need tom yum paste for the soup. If you can't get one, go with Thai red curry paste. Heat oil in a pan and add the chopped galangal and lemongrass along with sliced mushrooms. Fry until the mushrooms start shrinking. Transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside until use. In the same pan, heat oil and add the tom yum paste or red curry paste. Fry it for a minute on low heat, making sure not to burn it out. Add prepared vegetable stock. I'll post a detailed video on how I prepare the veg stock for the soups at my home. Mix well and add the chopped cabbages, sliced carrots, chopped broccoli, paneer or tofu cubes, whichever you prefer, salt, little bit of sugar, and mix everything together. Another important ingredient is kaffir lime leaves, which I could not source, but the paste I used in my recipe had kaffir lime peel, and the flavor was good enough. When it is boiling, add the sauteed mushrooms, galangal and lemongrass. Once it's added to the soup, it creates a wonderful aroma. After boiling it for 5 minutes, add thin coconut milk. Do not boil after adding coconut milk. Heat it up and simmer for 5 minutes and put off. Our delicious tom yum soup is ready to be served. It's such a comforting, tangy and healthy soup. Try it for sure and let me know how it was. Thanks for watching.